Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical garage door opener, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from garage door opener, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garage door opener from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Chamberlain Smart Garage Door Opener. Video streaming and advanced corner LED lighting, smartphone controlled. The Chamberlain Smart Garage Door Opener with Secure View offers advanced security and convenience with its built-in camera, allowing you to monitor your garage in real time through the MyQ app. Featuring a 130-degree wide-angle camera with video streaming, motion detection, and two-way communication, this opener lets you see and hear what's happening in your garage, ensuring your family and belongings are always safe. The integrated corner-to-corner LED lighting brightens every inch of your garage with motion-activated 2000 lumen illumination. With the MyQ app, you can control, monitor, and secure your garage door from anywhere at any time. The opener also includes a battery backup, ensuring you can still open and close the door, even during power outages. Designed for quiet operation, the ultra-quiet DC motor guarantees smooth and noise-free performance. Whether you're at home or away, the Chamberlain Smart Garage Door Opener keeps your garage secure and your family safe. Number 2. Genie StealthDrive Connect Smartphone-Controlled Belt Drive Garage Door Opener. The Genie StealthDrive Connect smartphone-controlled belt drive garage door opener combines convenience, power, and quiet operation for homeowners. With its steel-reinforced belt and ultra-quiet DC motor, it's perfect for homes where noise is a concern, especially near bedrooms or nurseries. This smart opener integrates with Aladdin Connect Wi-Fi technology, allowing you to control and monitor your garage door remotely via the free Genie Aladdin Connect app. You can also set up virtual keys for individual users and link the opener with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Amazon Key-in Garage Delivery for seamless smart home integration. With a built-in battery backup, the StealthDrive Connect ensures you can open and close your garage door even during power outages. Installation is quick and easy, featuring a 5-piece rail system and built interactive 3D instructions. This opener works with doors up to 7 feet in height, with an extension kit available for 8-foot doors. Number 3. Ghost Control's Heavy-Duty Solar Automatic Gate Opener Kit for driveway swing gates with long range. The Ghost Control's Heavy-Duty Solar Automatic Gate Opener Kit is the perfect solution for opening residential driveway swing gates effortlessly. This solar-powered kit is designed for dual swing gates up to 900 pounds or 12 feet in length, with a maximum opening of 24 feet. It includes a 10-watt solar panel, 2 gate opener arms, a control box, remote transmitters, and all the mounting hardware you need for easy installation. The system offers a remote range of up to 1,000 feet, and the solar panel ensures your gate opener operates efficiently without needing high-voltage electrical work or welding. This smart gate opener is compatible with third-party devices and allows smartphone control, an app sold separately. It also features SafeForce technology for safety and Ghost code for secure access. Plus, with a recommended 12-volt deep-cycle marine battery, you can enjoy seamless operation even in remote locations. Enhance your gate security and convenience with this robust system. Number 4. Chamberlain Ultra Quiet Wall-Mounted with Battery Backup and LED Lighting Garage Door Opener. The Chamberlain Ultra Quiet Wall-Mounted Garage Door Opener is a space-saving and powerful solution for homeowners seeking comfort and convenience. Its wall-mount design eliminates the need for overhead tracks, freeing up valuable ceiling space and reducing noise and vibrations in living areas near the garage. With built-in Wi-Fi and the MyQ app, you can control and monitor your garage door from anywhere, even when you're away. The integrated battery backup ensures you can still access your garage during power outages. Additionally, the remote LED lighting provides full coverage for your garage with up to 8 light pods that can be installed for optimal illumination. This garage door opener is perfect for those looking for a reliable, quiet, and smart solution, offering secure in-garage delivery and advanced encryption for safety. Enjoy seamless access, enhanced security, and extra storage space with the Chamberlain RJ0 101. Number 5. Pacer Bog 50 Icon. Overhead garage door opener with heavy-duty chain drive for single or double doors. The beam-up Centurion garage door opener offers a powerful, quiet, and efficient solution for both single and double garage doors. Equipped with a 1-to-1x4 horsepower equivalent DC motor and a steel-reinforced belt drive, this opener provides smooth operation without the rattle associated with chain drives. It can easily handle doors up to 7 feet tall, offering both durability and reliability. The integrated 3,000-lumen motion-activated LED lighting brightens your garage, enhancing safety and visibility. Additionally, the Photo Eye safety system adds an extra layer of protection for your family and belongings. This opener also features two 3-button ClearComm remotes, a wall-mounted control button with an indicator light, and a wireless keyless entry keypad. Plus, with the beam-up smart controller, you can integrate with Alexa, Apple Watch, and other smart home systems for convenient remote control via the Beam Home app. Upgrade your garage with Beam-up for a quiet, secure, and intelligent garage door experience. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.